How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best DS4 Windows setting for Rocket League. So let's open up our DS4 application right here. And basically, we have to focus on minimizing input lag and maximizing joystick precision because Rocket League requires highly precise car control. Default Windows controller configurations can feel heavy or delayed. So in here, what you want to do is to just make sure that your gamepad is on the Xbox 360. Rocket League has native Xbox control support, which reduces compatibility glitches. So from here, in order to go ahead and set our controller, you want to navigate through profiles, and then I'm going to click on new, and then I'm just going to click on the proceed right here, and this is where we can modify all of our controller setting. So first things first, it's going to be the joystick. You want to set this to 0.05 or lower if you do not have drift stick or stick drift. A lower dead zone means your car reacts instantly to tiny thumbstick movements. Now for the max output, which is going to be this one, you want to set this at 1. Now for the anti-dead zone, you want to go ahead and set this to 0. And for sensitivity, you could just customize this depending on your preference. And if you scroll down, we basically have the left or right stick, and then we also have the left stick right here. So you just want to make sure that both of the settings is applied. So with the first setting that we have made, it is on the left stick. The second option is going to be the right stick. So you just want to make sure that they are matched together. But of course, this is still fully customizable depending on the situation of your controller. Obviously, if you have dead zone, you want to go ahead and increase it. And if not, you could even make it 0, but it's going to be highly sensitive. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.